It's a little bit ugly, but here it is. This is going to be from the charge port. So this is the factory charger going into the battery. Notice black to black, red to red. And if you ever run into something like this, I'm just using wire that I had laying around. Whether it's speakers, something like this, and you have a pair, the tracer is always positive. So the one with the line on it's called a tracer, and it's positive. Like I said before, JST connector there, 2.5. That's also a JST 2.5. And I'm going to install this in the lid and wreck the original design, which was spectacular, because it's really rare that you don't have a connector between two pieces when you take it apart. I mean, look at the phones, how many connections there are between the top, bottom, and side when you take it apart, and how elegant this design is. So hats off to the guys that really designed it. Sorry, I'm going to put a hole in it and make a connector for the power, but it's the only place that it fits with this much battery in it. Because remember, we're going up from 3,300 milliamp hours to 4,400 milliamp hours, or 3,400 to 4,400. Big change. So here's the charge port. So it does have a weather-tight cover on it, and that is the female JST. And here's the connector that it's going to connect to. Because remember, that thing is going to come right in here where there's a little bit of room on top of the battery. You can see I routed the power down. It's kind of a mess in the front, but it's all retained in there. The power's plugged back in. The white wires on the bottom are the on-off switch. The black wires are the 4 LEDs. The connector next to that is the charge connector. Then the BMS on top, and the 3-phase to the hub motor on the back. So we'll put the lid on it, and with the exception of the little hole on the side, you won't be able to tell that there's anything different. And I made this connection so that we can charge it with either port. But once again, don't charge it with both at the same time. Choose one or the other. So this is why I put the extra port in. So this is a $9 charger from Amazon or eBay. They sell them all over the place. There's the socket we put in. Just make sure you make the low voltage connection before you plug it in, because there's not much clearance in these plugs. And then this light will turn green once we're fully charged. I'll show you that later, but we're gonna go try it out. I'm gonna do a little video on the Apple Watch troubleshooting as well.